While the last Galaxy S11 Plus leaks were focused more on design, this one is all about the specs. Well, it's not even a leak, but rather a set of renders from enthusiastic designers. Tech configurations rendered the 2020 Samsung flagship, and we bask in the glory of a full specs list after the break. First of all, the Samsung Galaxy S11 Plus is gigantic, at 7 inches in diagonal. 6.9 inches is what I last heard via leaks, and even that too much. The only excuse for such a diagonal would be a waterfall screen, but that not happening anytime soon from what I heard. There also an Exynos 990 CPU inside, or the Snapdragon 865 inches China and USA. 5G is available by default, so there's no need for a separate version. We also got a 5000 mAh battery, which is pretty impressive, even by Samsung standards. Then there are a 12MP front camera, apparently a singular camera, although the jury is still out on that one. Believe it or not, the backside hosts a triple main camera, with a 108MP sensor, 48MP and 12MP sensor, the latter two being ultra-wide and telephoto. There are also some extra sensors in there, like a bright light sensor, a 2F camera, and probably a spectrometer. 8K video is on the table, as well as space zoom. Whatever that is. I see that the selfie camera is still cut in the screen and not integrated within it, but I'm not very sure that will also happen in real life. I have a feeling Samsung may just wow us with a new way of implementing a camera design. Bezels seem to be quite narrow here, and the earpiece is very well hidden at the top. Some companies have gotten rid of it altogether. Expect a hefty price for this baby, particularly if the 7 camera prediction for the backside comes true.